Tell nobody I searched out this trick now. There we go. Let's see. And the door handle, huh? The latch.
Yes. Yes.
All right. How y'all doing tonight?
Definitely been better. How about
Had better nights. Oh, I've had better ones too. I'm just not getting back from Mississippi, so I had to go change a tire out there. But yeah, I don't complain about it.
They got trucks dropping everywhere.
Yeah, we go all over the place. All over. Yeah, I went to change the tire there, and I had to be around where's Fiera at? Somewhere around Fiera right there, and I got this car. I said, well, I may as well just stop and walk and get this one.
Appreciate it.
There we go. I'm sorry, neighbors.
Okay, it'll stop. It keeps doing that.
Yeah, I'm sorry, neighbors. Give me 1 second. I promise you. If I could just see what I'm doing, it'll be open. No, because of your 10, it's going to be a little difficult.
Can you just...
Be careful now. I had somebody get up there and on the fell before, so please be careful.
You're like right there.
I'm right there? Okay.
Yeah, give me your light, Dustin.
Hold on, I'll give you some light. You got it?
Yeah. Okay, you're like right there. You're in the door handle. Put down a little bit more. You're inside the handle, yeah.
Hold it. Raise it up just a hair.
Nope, you're out of it again. You're like on the other side of it now. Now you're back in it.
Come up just a hair.
There you go. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem at all. Thank you. You did the hard part.
You pulled the handle?
Yeah.
Bro, I've been trying for hours.
Really?
I pulled the handle to pull out.
Well, you see,
Past me.
you got to flip it
Right.
inward.
Maybe I wasn't going far enough.
Yeah. See, my thing is, I know with these, you don't want to get to the base of it. You want to try and get up high on it.
You must have been too high.
Yeah.
We were out here for hours.
Really?
Unfortunately.
So you got these tools
I
already?
got a kid like that. I just we're the police, so
Okay.
we do a bunch of unlocks, and I could not get this car.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like I say, with these right here, you don't want it, because if you get down to the bottom of it, it's gonna be hard to push it. So you want to try and stay up as high as you can, and just roll it out, and you get it, man.
That was crazy.
Do it quick.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Told you did the hard part. I couldn't see. I was trying to fiddle my way through because of the tent.
No.
Yeah.
And I almost went with that up here. I'm glad I didn't. We never would have gotten into it. You can't even see in the back window. That one.
Yeah.
I'm glad I mean, it's still dark, but.
All right. Well, y'all have a good night.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Drive safe.
I will. Thank you.
You want to talk to me?
Hey, bro. Look, if you need some lessons, holler at me, man.
Oh, man. I got in the hundreds of cars.
I do it all the time, bro. Like I said, I think I done. The other day I got into it was a Porsche, not a Porsche. Yeah, it was a Porsche. A Macon, I think it was. And that it took me about 5 minutes to figure it out. But once I got in there, it was like, man, it's just like every other vehicle.
Oh my God.
Y'all have a good one.